Let's start peeling eggplant before roasting them for ravioli filling. Slice it for about 1/4 inch thick. Put a little bit of olive oil on the eggplant. After 20 minutes in the oven. Potato, Parmigiano Reggiano, roasted eggplant, boiled potatoes, Parmigiano Reggiano. I need to put this puree inside the refrigerator for at least half an hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour to firm it up before using it for ravioli filling. While the filling is in the refrigerator, it's plenty of time to make the pasta dough. 2 egg yolks for pasta dough. There's no need for fancy gadget to separate egg yolks from egg white. Just use your hand. A little bit of water to egg yolks and beat it. Pour egg yolk mixture into semola flour. Ravioli starts from pasta sheets and dough, of course. Put the filling on flat sheets of pasta. Folding it over the filling to cover the filling. Or you can use mold for making ravioli. Gently press. Gorgonzola cheese. Fresh sage. Just crumble it over the top of the ravioli.